Hello, YouTube fans. I made a Skittles machine. I don't have any Skittles, but I have pennies.
I have this.
Pennies. Pennies. So what you have to do is to take these pieces off, load it. You don't want to put a lot of pennies in it or candy. So let me take these pieces off. That'll have for too many Lego penny Skittle machines. Now, load the machine with Skittles or something else. Then you would push down this leather. Push down the leather. And the candy or something else would come out. Sometimes it's a little easy for it to come down. Sometimes it's easy for it to come down. Okay. Then do it all over. And you don't have to put money in it. That's good. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Get right here. About right here. So what you would do is put the pennies in. And I said to make not too much. So this won't come out. And then you push this lever, then it can bounce. There's a little hole right there. So you pop it up. They'll just go through. See? Now time's up. I had a lot of fun shooting this video. My dad. And I hope I see you next time watching some more of my Gumball machines or pennies or something else machine. And hope you liked it and try to do it your own self. So this is what it looks like. Sorry I didn't show you at the beginning. This is what it looks like. This is the leather that goes up and down. It won't go like that because when there's something in it, it pushes down the weight and then it just bounces up. So I'll show you once again. Show you again how it works. Well, this will happen, so it's easy to put it back together because all the parts and pieces are still together, not all broken and stuff. So see how it's easy to put it back together. Easy. Now, hope you see me again. Shooting videos with my dad. This is